Buffalo Check Chicks. I'm crafting in my jammies. But if you saw my haul that I did from the Dollar Tree, I wanted to show you what I've been doing. And first of all, I bought these little set of, it looks like a 3-piece set of books. And it had that real chintzy little buffalo check bow on it. So I switched out the bow, and look how cute that came out. Just so simple. You know, for $1, you can't go wrong. And I had these cute little stickers here, so I put a little sticker. This bow needs to go down a little bit. But I did put a little heart sticker on each one. It says Love Bug, Cutie Pie, and Sweetheart. And it just looks like a little stack of 3 books. And I think that's so cute. Just switched out the bow, and I think it's adorable. So next what I'm doing is also with these stickers that I bought. I like them. They're, you know, sparkly little stickers. And I have these silver chargers that I'm going to be using on my table. And so I just want to dress them up a little bit because I have, let's see if I can find it here. I have this ruby red plate that I want to put on it, like so. Isn't that pretty? That's going to look really pretty. But what I want to do is dress up the charger a little bit. So with these stickers, I am just going to embellish the chargers, and then I can take the stickers off when I'm done. They give you 3 different sizes, and I'm going to use the medium and the small. Because if I make them too big, the plate will cover it up. So on my charger, and I'm just going to take the stickers, and you know, I'm just not going to measure or anything fancy. I'm just going to place them, and if I place them at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, then that'll give me a basis for where to place the rest of them. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take the medium stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and start up here at what I'm going to call 12 o'clock. And then the next one is 6 o'clock. And like I say, I'm not measuring this. This doesn't need to be perfect. Just eyeballing it. So now I've got 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and do 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock with the same size sticker. So let me go ahead and do the 9 o'clock here. So 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm really having a lot of fun thinking about how I'm going to decorate the house for Valentine's Day. So here's my 4 stickers, and I have my 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. So, and like I say, it's not perfect, and that's fine. Looks just fine. I don't need to measure. And I'm going to take the smaller stickers here, and I'm going to go ahead and place a smaller sticker in between each of those. And again, does not have to be perfect. And this just really dresses up the chargers. What I'm going to do is I have a pink tablecloth and a red tablecloth, and I think I'm going to layer those. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and use my silver chargers with my ruby red plates. And then those pretty little vases that I bought with those flowers, red, white, and pink that I got from the Dollar Tree. So it's just going to be very traditional. I'm trying to think here. So that's what that looks like. Isn't that cute? So that's going to dress up my charger. And then if I put my plate on it, it's going to look something like that. Okay, so that's what my stickers look like on the charger with the ruby red plate. And I just think that's so pretty. So when I do my tablescape with the red and the pink and the silver and my flowers, I think it's going to be really very festive and pretty. So then here is that stack of books. And look how cute that came out. Really, for $1. And I think that's just adorable. So it just goes to show you, sometimes you just, change a bow, add some stickers, and you can really make the Dollar Tree things look much more expensive. So I'll be showing you what I will be doing with all of my little projects for Valentine's Day. But I did want to show you my little Valentine's tree. I did get it done, and I think it came out so pretty. And these were the pretty little hearts that I made. And I think that's so cute. Look at it. So I had these little gingham hearts here and the striped. And then these are the little, let me get out the light, the little Paris fabric there. And then just adding that little bow and the button and the hanger. And then I put some red Christmas ornaments in it. And then up on top, I've got a red sparkly bow. And this is just the little Christmas tree skirt that I had. I actually turned it the other way because this looks more Christmassy. So I just put it on the satin side. But I think that's so cute. I just love the way that came out. So as I'm doing projects, I'll show you. And I do plan on doing a house tour for Valentine's. And I'm hoping that Kathy and I do it together. Wouldn't that be just awesome to have Kathy and I doing a tour together of our homes on Valentine's Day? But I just love this little tree. I'm so glad I thought about leaving a white tree out. In fact, Kathy messaged me and said, I wish I would have remembered to leave a white tree out. She put hers in the shed. I said, well, go dig it out, because that'd be cool if both of us could just have a little Valentine's Day tree. But anyways, so I'll just keep showing you what I'm going to do with all my little Valentine DIYs coming up. So I'll talk to you later. Bye for now. Okay, so now I have that little red vase, just a cylinder-shaped vase that I had found at the Goodwill. It was $3 and something. And I went to Dollar Tree and I found the roses. And they're so pretty. Those are the roses, and then there's a pink rose. And then these white flowers here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little arrangement for this vase. And then I'm going to take this bling ribbon and I'm going to put a band around this just to bling it up a little bit. And when you take your tags off your flowers, I just pop the whole top of the rose off, and then I just slide the tag right off of it. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And it just pulls right off. And then just go ahead and put your flower back on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the tags off these and make a little arrangement. And go ahead and, this does not have, it's not a sticker. So you actually have to hot glue this on. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and see what it looks like. I'll show it to you when I get it done. I also just wanted to say that when you get the roses, they could be smushed up a little bit. So I just go and I just give them a little squeeze like that and round them out. And I like to also push my leaves up so they're more towards the top. Yeah, so just kind of give your roses a little, push it in, and it will round them back out because they've been sitting in a bin. And that'll make them look pretty. Okay. Guys, so this is what I have. I put the silver bling down here at the bottom and here at the top. And I got my roses in. And I love the roses. Now, I'm not certain yet about these. I do like a little touch of white in there, but I'm not sure that's what I want. But I'll leave them in for right now and see if it grows on me. And a lot of times I actually can't tell until I get it on my table. So I will see what I'm going to do about it. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe I need to cut these off individually and just pop in. That's an idea. So we'll see if I want the white in it or just the roses. But anyways, I do like the way the vase came out. And it just goes to show you again, you can take a really inexpensive $3 vase and add a little Dollar Tree ribbon to it and bling it up, and it just looks really pretty. So we will see if the white stays or the white goes, or if I'll find another type of white flower, or like I say, cut these individually and just pop a few of them in. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this up for today. And I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please think about it. We'd love to have you. And to everybody that has subscribed, thank you so much. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye for now.